boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper sculpture. We're making these in the style of Caesar Israel Paolo, who made the sculpture called the Angel. That's in Harbor Square in Ossining. To make this paper sculpture, you'll need scissors and construction paper. Construction paper is a little bit thicker or heavier than regular paper. You could make it from regular paper, but you have to make it slightly smaller so that it will stand. The first thing I'm going to do is cut some shapes. I want one long shape that I can use to make the base. Then I'm going to make some smaller shapes. He dedicated his sculpture to firefighters. I'm dedicating my sculpture to living things. Now I have a few shapes that I like. I'm going to use a system called slots or slits. To make my base, I'm going to roll it or fold it. I think I'd like to fold mine into kind of a triangle so that it stands up. I'm going to check it and make sure it can stand. Great, it does. Now I'm going to start cutting my slots or slits. I'm going to cut a snip into this about halfway, and on this side about halfway, and on this side about halfway. Now I have slots or slits. The things that I'm going to put into it, I'm going to slot or slit also. This one I'd like to kind of have standing up. I'm going to make two slits here. Now to feed it into that, I'm going to bend it, flatten it out, and push it down into the slits. I'm making my slits match up. Now I'm going to make these other things kind of grow out of the top of the sculpture. Need a slot or a slit. Slide it in. Here's one more. This one I want to have growing out of the top of this piece. I'll make a slot or slit there. Keeping your sculpture balanced is important. If it falls over, it means that you need to put more weight on the opposite side. Mine looks a little bit like a duck. Here's the one that I made in the style of Caesar Israel Paolo. I hope you have fun making paper sculptures using slots and slits.